Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Keeley Talks. I hope you're all okay. You've seen the thumbnail, you know why we're here. We are covering the 8th set of Mindfulness. We're covering this book right here, which I will leave I will leave a link to that in the comments down below. And we are covering N is for Nature
Yes,
today.
it is. Hey
Yes.
guys, this is part 2 because Keely professed her love for me by accident and she didn't want anyone to see it.
Well, we need to hurry up because my leaves are starting to get withered. They're curling up, girl. I'm serious. All right.
So, wrong way again. So, yesterday
Don't try to cover
we
it up.
did this, and Emma in the comments down below in the other video has said that she'd really like give a good suggestion. I think it would be really good. Like we do the random talk stream, and she said that it'd be good if we could do a stream where like me and Gary are colouring and just chatting to you guys, and you guys can colour as well, and I'll create a link on my Twitter where everybody can add their work, what they have done at the end. Basically just a chill out stream where we can just be creative. It doesn't have to be colouring, you can do whatever you want, whether it's sewing, knitting or whatever.
Yeah, I
Just
think that would be awesome too.
like an arts and crafts type stream, but then just chatting to you guys as well. So we've got N's for Nature. I know that the activity does tell you to get a leaf. So if you pause the video here and get one, I will let you know. I'll share this out. I will let you know on Twitter and Discord before I send this out. Hopefully you'd already have one by now. But if you're watching this for the first time, you didn't know. Activity, if you want to join in on the activity that is. Anyway,
Mine's a bamboo leaf, and apparently this thing gets dehydrated really quick. So these start curling up really fast. That's why I was like, let's go, girl. Hurry up. Anyway, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
for nature, here it says, taking advantage of the natural beauty around us is a wonderful way to cultivate greater mindfulness. The good news is that spending just 2 hours a week in nature has been linked to better health and well-being. Physical and mental health benefits include a drop of cortisol levels and stress, encourages healthy blood pressure, an increase in oxygen and vitamin D, improved muscle tone, bone density and posture, and a boost in serotonin.
Nice.
Spending time in green spaces also has proven antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting effects, helps to maintain heart and brain health, reduces the risk of various diseases, and increases longevity. In our sometimes sterile modern world, it is easy to lose our connection with nature, especially if we live in an urban setting. Wild environments are naturally stimulating, and reconnecting with the wilderness can help people experience sensory sharpening, a meditative state of mind, and a greater empowerment and purpose. Engage your senses and stay open to what's happening around and within you. Look down at the living world at your feet. Kneel, sit, or squat on the ground and take time to observe all the tiny details. It can be quite humbling to notice something new when you have been coming to a particular place for years. Now look up and take in the world above you. Allow yourself to absorb the wonders of nature through all your senses. See, like, one of the ways that I do this obviously only amateur, but I love taking pictures of nature and really getting like up and close and like looking at something like as simple as a leaf that you just walk by and not notice. But then I'll take a picture in a way that you probably wouldn't have even noticed its beauty, and look at the true beauty of nature that is all around you. I remember one time that I took a picture of a little bit of moss on a rock, and I can't remember who it was. It might have been, I think it was Gary, who said, "Oh, that's a nice bush." I think it was you.
No pun intended.
But
Yeah,
it was
no,
just a little.
I think that was I remember that. But
It was just
you
a
were
little.
so zoomed in on it. It looked bigger than it actually was, but it was really beautiful. Actually, it's a very nice picture. And like you said, those are the little things that we miss.
Yeah. So that is like an activity you can do when you're out. Is you know, sit. It says tells you to sit, kneel, or squat on the ground, and take time to observe all the tiny details around you, and look at the world in like a different perspective.
Nice bush.
Hopefully, hopefully the cats don't start cat fighting tonight. Anyway, onto the activity, like I said, where you'll need a leaf.
Mine's bamboo.
Or a blade of grass. If you've not got anything leafy, you can use a blade of grass, that's fine. Okay. So I want you to hold your leaf in your fingers. Feel it between your fingers. Notice the texture. Observe the leaf's shape, design, colour, and temperature. Study its unique pattern of veins. Breathe in its smell. Do not assess or think about the leaf, just simply observe it. And then I want you to write down what you could feel, what you noticed, what you could smell. If it's cool or hot. What did you notice about its shape? You know, it's making me want to, setting off my hay fever, making me want to sneeze.
You sneeze. Bless you. Bless you.
Now, you need to put your leaf out of sight when you've finished writing.
All right.
I'm putting mine just behind my laptop. And now I want you to try and sketch it from memory.
No, you want quiet.
Yeah, I just had to sneeze.
Oh,
Hay fever. I've got no room. Emma was saying to me she really enjoyed that there was a moment, like in the video, the last one that we did, where it was very quiet. And she said all you could hear was just like the sound of the with like the sketching and the sharpies. And she said it's just like that we were just colouring together, and that's what I love about doing these activities.
I enjoy that too. There's something soothing about that. I mean, music can help, but sometimes just the sound of pen to paper is nice as well. Yours sounds like you're making music like a DJ over there. I could put a beat to that.
You always do some musical.
Keeley. Keeley talks about everything. A to Z. Yours is so intricate. You put in colors as well?
No, just a black biro. It's not a masterpiece because I'm doing it from memory and I'm not that good of a drawer anyway. Unless when I do my spirit drawing, that comes out pretty good sometimes.
Yeah, I'm the same.
You're quite a good drawer.
Thank you, babe. I mean, Keeley.
Alright, baby. I'm so hot. Don't know about anybody else in the UK, but it's bloody. I'm not acclimated to this weather.
Oh, I'm definitely not bringing you to Florida then.
No, I'm about to cope with the heat.
Nope.
You'll have to just keep fanning me constantly.
Fanny.
Fanning. You're so funny.
All right. I think I got mine. I haven't looked back at it yet, but this is what I got from memory.
Mine looks nothing like my original, but it's all good. Go on.
It's all right.
Yours is just like one little.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's just a bamboo leaf. But you see the ones that were still flat. Oh wow. Okay, now.
Mine's
And then the
so
other
messy.
ones that were twisted. Yours looks like a punk rocker's hair, dude.
Looks like Zod's hair.
If you hold it upside down, it looks like my chin. There we go.
Anyway, so
Well,
I
what did you
put.
write about?
I said it was jagger, the shape of it. I don't know if
Mm.
that's a word, but anyway, you know what I mean. It was warm to touch. It was in colour. It was bright and vibrant. It was like smooth on the front, and then it was like soft and fluffy on the back.
Mm.
And the smell of it just smelled like fields and grass and stuff.
And it's funny because we're across the pond, of course, but the leaves that we picked have similar textures. Like with this one, it was kind of like it was smooth one direction, right? But then if you go back the other way, it's a little coarse.
Yeah, no. I
It's
used to have
like
bamboo in the old garden.
yeah, and it just smelled like nature. It smelled like the color green. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it really did. It smelled like the color green and bamboo.
Well,
And then to me it looked
that's
like the leaves were like shaped kind of like a sword, and then when it dries up it curls up into like a little pokey thing, so it's got like defense qualities. And I think that's the reason why they used bamboo in a lot of things. And it's a very strong wood, if you will. um, they use it in a lot of furniture, and they do use it in some weapons too. So I think it's really cool that the leaves kind of represent that as well.
yeah. At least it doesn't smell like the colour white.
I like that smell.
Okay, what else does it say in here? So, anyway, let's carry on. It says, now you'll be brought back to the present moment. You can repeat this activity with a board, a blade of grass, a coin, a paperclip, or anything you find in your house, pocket or bag. I wish I told you that at the beginning, because I could have just told you if you couldn't find a leaf that you could just get some out of your house. Notice whether you find it more effective with natural or man-made items.
Mm,
And
okay.
then there's two quotes. The first one says, I can pause, be still and feel alive. And the second one says, I only went out for a walk and finally concluded to stay out till sundown. For going out, I found, was really going in. That's by
Mm,
John Muir.
I like that one. Hmm. So you can just find anything in the house, right?
Yeah, got all tomorrow.
Oh, is this for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I
What's the
found one. Let me see. And you want to go over textures and tastes and stuff?
What's that?
Mm, I like it. It's tough.
What is it?
It's a little tough. It's a piece of candy. It's like a taffy. It's called a mamba.
No, we don't have them here in the UK.
Oh yeah. It gets soft instead of gritty. Ah, I like that. I like this exercise. Oh yeah. That's what makes me happy.
So let me know what you think about the Chill Out Arts and Crafts stream. Like I said, you can colour. Me and Gary will probably be just colouring. And Gary might do some music maybe. I'll record some music just to be have playing in the background. Well, you'll have to wait and see. Put him on the spot now. But it was his idea. He was already saying that before.
Yeah, I could do it. If you guys want that, yeah, I can do that, definitely.
This is the flower that leaf was off.
That's so pretty.
I can see flower.
I like that. That's really nice. You better put that in water now.
In water.
Water. Yes, water.
Water.
That's how we say it over here in the good old US of A.
Alright, guys. Ow, that was loud. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you like if you enjoy the video. And don't forget to share it if you can to help get more views on these little videos. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all again soon. Bye.